Lyon na mma
ise
iwe akwa ka enwe
ise
ije mmiri ije azụ iwe ọkụkụ pa mmiri achọkọdụla na mma
ise
onye gbara Chineke nye iwe ya tie na ala na abụ azụta ala wozọwa ute wee si Chineke na-agbalụ ụlọ Krismas agbakwa olu n'ụmụ ogbenye dịka anyị
ise
egburu ọmịmị ana
ise
wee na-egburu egburu ọmịmị anya mana onye
go by the name Kentallest.
You don't know, represent.
It's actually looking a bit funny, right? Because this one is, I don't know how to classify it, but Jowizaza is just a low-key guy. For those of you who don't know him, what he does for a living, we all know he's the CEO of Jesco Oil and Gas, which he inherited the company from his father. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Drop a comment in the comment section. Which of these cars was actually your favorite? Drop that in the comment section.